gorgeous rainbow pink, which was great. You can use it as a book cover, pink, or anything. So inside this kit we have our machine, which helps us to sew. If you had watched the previous video of the spiral city, you must be noticing what all this curved loops is. This is the same. You can do the same with the spiral city. Notice that it's much bigger and has different buttons. The minute you press this, it happens. And its material is a little bit different, and so is the color. The next thing included in this book, this kit is this giant book filled with awesome activities we can do. We can make all these kind of things like hairbands, puppets, pencil stands, cards, and it has an oral heart of pink supplies. And the good thing is that you must have seen this in other videos, and this is what I have. I kind of like that. And there are even these super cool glasses. And you can even make these pencil little things whatever these are. Once you move further, you'll see these even making DIY photo frames and puppets, and there's just so much, it never ends. And then we have a box filled with materials. The most amount of things in this are these what do you call it? Okay, first they're like tools like glue, UVIs, and these are cap and molds and stuff for the recycling stuff. Then they have these. So if you see on these, you'll notice those sweet surprise. So there's one page which is it makes sweet surprise. This is just for practice or extra. This is another one which is a fish note holder. I really need a holder for that. Yeah. And then we got more of these little fishy ones, the ones that turn into forward a little bit. And some more practice ones. There's this mini variant from all these cute sets. There's the most transport, so you can make transport stuff. And passengers are these monsters or space aliens or something. And then there's this pet buckle with cute speakers. And I guess that's it. And there's a bunch. So today's rainbow this thing is what I gave, so that's over, and that was a plus tag. This was free sent to me, and I love it because you can make so much stuff out of it. And let's take a look at this front. So, but you see that there's sweet Qulling. And this is the thing that I'm talking about. The fish hole, whatever you call that holder. And then there's the insects that's big, basic shape to the transpose dramatic. And this is the throwing poles. That's me, and this is all the stuff. So this is the quilling mold, this is the quilling board, this is the jumbo quilling disc, this is the easy quilling disc, this is the squill quiller glue. We have the idea gallery, which is actually the instruction manual. And then we have the front, which is a picture of cards, these pencil holders, and all these different characters, and the hairbands, there's some bracelets, there's this Qulling. Not only this, there's more in the instruction manual, but this is the thing shown out here. There are 20 plus creative projects that we're going to do just in 8-day camp. Today is the first session, next session will be on Saturday. It's a big longer. And it's just gigantic, and I love how it is. The hits in the imagination. Bye guys. Oh, pretty. Thank you, Imaginate, for this awesome kit. Don't forget to